Здравствуйте, коллеги! С вами Сахаров Александр, и сегодня мы по любезному приглашению дирекции компании Interra находимся в главном офисе компании в Стамбуле. Генеральный директор компании Медени был очень любезен, что согласился дать нам интервью. Hello, Medeni.
Hello, welcome to Istanbul.
Thank you again for your kindly invitation of our team. It will be very interesting for Russian installers have a more close relations with Interra, and maybe you can tell us a little bit about history of Interra, how it's grown up, where it's now in Turkish market, and maybe how you think it should grow in Russian market.
Mm-hmm. Actually, Interra is basically an R&D company.
Yep.
And the purpose of the Interra R&D was designing the smart building solutions. So it was the first company actually in Turkey that
really?
was that was focused on the smart building solutions, because at that time I am, let's say, talking about 20-25 years ago. At that time all the products, all the solutions was, let's say, imported from Germany, especially German brands. I was also managing a global company for Turkey and the Asia countries also.
Yeah.
And I have seen that there is very big, let's say, gap in the market that is fully dedicated to the project business. And especially when it goes to the, let's say, segments like hotel segment, residential segment, and commercial segment, I have seen that there is a very big gap in terms of solutions, especially KNX and DALI solutions. And at that time also we decided to launch the company Interra, and the company Interra started with R&D with some, let's say, touch panels and combo actuators.
How long ago it was?
It was 15 years,
15 years ago.
Sorry, it was
15 years ago.
Sorry, 17 years ago.
17 years ago. Okay.
17 years ago.
Yeah.
But the purpose of Interra R&D was not, let's say, producing the same products as the other companies, the competitors are producing. The main purpose to make differentiation, how to, let's say, to bring technology and easy of use of the, let's say, complexity to bring to much more easy. And therefore that was the psychology behind. We never, let's say, imitate, or we never, let's say, design the same products that the competitors are designing. We just bring some additional function, additional engineering added value, and read the design, innovate the system and products, and produce the product.
We use Interra equipment in our installations, and I pay attention that it's always something interesting in Interra equipment. Additional inputs, additional outputs, so we can use, for example, a keypad or thermostat panel not only as a keypad thermostat, but as input for temperature sensors, some binary sensors. So it's always interesting that have something with some additional, not common in these domain functions.
To be very honest, if we imitate the sector, we have not so much chance. Why?
Yeah.
I have to be very frank.
Yeah.
Because in the KNX sector, the sector, let's say, players are very big companies, the global companies.
Yeah.
And if you produce the same products, and if you go to the same, let's say, place to let's say, fight with the competitors, you have no chance. You should make differentiation, especially in terms of engineering. You have to make the differentiation.
Something special.
Something very special. And then another one, you should take advantage of the, let's say, brand new company. What I mean is that the Interra's biggest advantage is to be dynamic and also flexible. Because today we are getting now into another world, let's say digital world, AI world. If you don't, let's say, adapt yourself, if you don't, let's say, motivate yourself according to the development in the world,
Yeah,
you have no chance.
you're right, absolutely.
So therefore, Interra's biggest, let's say, advantage, as I mentioned, is agility also. Bringing engineering added value together with the dynamic and flexibility and agility. These are our dynamics.
Be energetic, be smart.
Yes. Therefore, all the products, as you mentioned, we produced, we didn't imitate any company. We always try to put additional functions, additional engineering added values to make the products much more easy when the installers, system integrators, when they go to the integration, installation. Therefore, we have some teams also in our organization that is fully researching the market behaviors also, the trends also. The trends, what is going on for the car sector, for example. If the customer is arranging the temperature in the car,
Yeah.
what is the behavior? And if he is using his mobile phone, what is the behavior, what is the trends?
What
And
he
then-
used to use.
What to use. And then, it was 3 years ago, we made a very strong decision for the company, and we started 3 different products at the same time. iX2, iX3, iX4, and also for the touch panel, iX10.
Yeah,
And that was inspired fully by the new technologies, with the new digital platforms, with the also AI functions. So everything is fully redesigned.
yeah, it's interesting products. I had a chance to work with these products with iX3, iX4. It's really interesting. It's well, very flexible in configuration. So I guess these products has a good future, at least for Russian market, at least for our needs.
We are started already in Russian market. We are very happy. Interra R, our company is very active over there, and they are now also promoting the brand new products, and they are running very well with the products. And we are very happy with the conversion.
Maybe some words about Interra at Russia in future. How you think it should be?
Our strategy is not, let's say, collecting all the powers in the headquarters. The strategy to distribute the power, to delegate the power in the local countries. So therefore, we made some investment for the Interra R to say for the Russia market that we are there. 7/24 hours we are there. Whenever you need any products even in the stocks over there. Whenever you need any technical support, we are there. 7/24 hours. This is our general strategy.
Yes, it's really important for installers because, well, every product has its own features. I don't know, so customers and installers really need some support, some help, maybe some fast replacement, whatever. So
Yeah,
it's
and we
really
see that
important.
we have seen that it has been around 2 years. We launched the company, and now it is running very well. It's growing also very well. We are very happy with the conversion. So it's going very well, and we are very happy also to transfer all the competency, all the knowledge, know-how to also Interra R, because whenever the customer is asking, they are not returning to us to Istanbul. They immediately give the all competency, all, let's say, answer, know-how, transfer to our customer there.
Good. It's really important,
Yeah.
at least for me as installers, and I guess for my colleagues also. Well, probably a few words for my colleagues in Russia. What do you want to say them for the end of our conversation?
Our colleagues in Russia, they are on one hand has a very good technical background, and also they, on the other hand, has a very also let's say good skill of the trade also.
Yeah.
If you have only one way, it's not working,
Yeah.
So I would say in 2 years, they made a very big job. They increased a lot awareness of the company. Now I would say the almost all the let's say mid and high level companies, they know the Interra, they know
You're
the
right.
solution, and they already started using in their projects the Interra products.
Yeah.
And I'm very happy to also mention that they now also getting very big projects also. They made a very good and a nice contract. And we are very happy with this performance. And of course, our aim to support, to make it sustainable, long-term, reliable, let's say, relation with our customers in Russia.
So thank you. As a part of our Russian installers community, thank you that you invest so much efforts in Russian market, not only in your home market, but in Russian also, because well, now we have some issues with availability of products. A lot of German company left market, so products exist, but you cannot receive official tech support, which crossed my possibility to use it, because well, if you have some issue, you will be alone with this device. So for us it's really important, and I want to tell you thank you that you bring so much efforts to go to Russia to support Russian installers.
It is good time. It's really good time for
really
Interra, because 100% of the products are certified with KNX, with the EMC, LVD, all the, let's say, certifications. And compared to, let's say, the global brands, I would say Interra has much more advantage also for Russian market. And we are happy, and we will also invest much more in the future also to penetrate much more in the market together with Interra R. So we are happy. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you again for your invitation. Господа, я еще раз благодарю по-русски директора компании Interra за возможность снять это интервью, за возможность посетить главной офис компании. Следующими у нас запланированы посещение R&D отдела и производства. Всем спасибо.